Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do your front brake pads on a Chevy Equinox. This is an '05. If this video is helpful to you, can you just give it a thumbs up? That would be really helpful. Alright, the first thing you're going to do, you need to jack up your car, take the tire off, and then we're going to go down here. First thing that we're going to do is take off this bolt here and this bolt here. Alright, now we've got both of those bolts out. Basically, just kind of wiggle this and pull it out. There we go. We'll turn that and set that up there. At this point, you can take your brake pads out. I'm going to need my other hand here to do this, but I'll basically just stick something in here, pry them out. Same on that side. The other thing that we're going to have to do is push these pistons all the way back in. So I've got this tool here. I don't really like this. It's pretty cheap, but it does the job. I'll link to a better one down in the description. I'll have some other things linked down there that you can check out. Buy them or don't, doesn't matter. If you do, I get a small cut. Basically, the way this works, you just twist this. I usually take one of the old brake pads, set it in here, and then just use this and pushes those pistons back in. If it's been a while since you had to do your brakes, most likely, these can be a little stiff to push back in sometimes, but just fight with it a little bit and keep working it and they'll go back in. So the next thing that we're going to do here is grease your slides. So these are your slide pins. They just pull out. What you'll do is get yourself some brake and caliper grease. I just bought a big thing of it. You can get smaller ones at like O'Reilly or AutoZone or whatever. I just get one of these because I do this pretty often. And you just take this brush, coat those slides with grease. These ones I've already greased up. Sometimes these can be a little bit of a pain to get out if they haven't been greased in a while. You definitely want to grease these. Greasing these is what allows your brake caliper to slide back and forth and gives you nice even pad wear. If those aren't greased, what you'll end up having is one brake pad will be doing all the pushing. They won't be pinching. They'll just be pushing on. One will be pushing and you'll wear one brake pad down and the other one won't be worn down very much. So grease both your slides, your other one's down here. Real quick, if you need to change your rotor, what you'll do is take this bolt here out and this bolt here, and then this whole bracket will just swing out. You can take that right off. And then I just take like a hammer or something, just kind of tap this on the side, tap it on this side, tack it on the top, bottom, and that should just pop right out. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that thumbs up button. Comment if you've got any questions. I'll do my best to answer them. And thanks for watching.